we're here today to show our seat cover that we're installing on most of our seats that we sell today. This can fit on any of our seats that have cushions up to 530 millimeters in width, or that'd be about 20 3/4 inches. It's fairly easy to install. You can see here we have some Velcro that we're pulling around each side of the seat pan. On the back cushion, we have more Velcro straps here. That's as easy as that. Cushions are our most replaced component on the seats, our most common service item. So by adding these seat covers, you can definitely extend the life of your cushion.